Good evening, class. Are you hearing me? Huh? Class? Are you hearing me?
Yes.
Okay. Hello. Are you getting me?
Yeah.
Okay. So today we are going to learn about network topologies and computer components. What does topology mean? Topology refers to the physical or logical layout of devices and connections in a network. It defines how devices are interconnected and how data flows between them. So, network topology now refers to the arrangement of elements within a computer network. Now, what about computer networks, computer components? A computer network is a collection of interconnected devices that can communicate with each other to share resources and information. What are the aspects of the physical topology? We know about the topologies being two, one that is physical topology and another being logical topology. Those are the main, but we have the aspects, and the aspects are: one, physical topology, which refers to the physical layout of devices and cables in the network. It includes the arrangement of devices such as computers, servers, switches, routers, and other networking equipment, as well as the physical pathways such as Ethernet cables or fiber optic cables that connect them. Two, we have the logical topology. This refers to the way in which data is transmitted between devices in the network. It describes the paths that data takes as it moves from one device to another, regardless of the physical layout. For example, in a logical star topology, data might flow through a central switch, even if the physical layout of the network resembles a bus topology. 3, we have the network protocol. The choice of network protocol can also influence the network's topology. For example, in Ethernet networks, devices typically communicate using a shared media, such as a bus or a hub, whereas in modern networks, devices often communicate through switches using protocols like TCP/IP. The fourth is scalability and redundancy. The topology of a network can impact its scalability and redundancy. A well-designed topology should be able to scale to accommodate additional devices or increase traffic without significant performance degradation. Additionally, it should provide redundancy to minimize the impact of the device failures or network disruptions. The fifth aspect of physical topology is management and troubleshooting. The topology of a network can affect its manageability and ease of troubleshooting. A clear and well-documented topology makes it easier for network administrators to understand the network layout, identify potential issues, and implement changes or upgrades. Are we together?
Yeah.
Okay. Under the topologies, the physical topologies, we have the star topology. I believe you can see the image, the diagram of the star topology. In a star topology, each device is connected directly to a central hub or switch. All data passes through the central hub, which manages the communication between devices. If one device fails, it does not affect the rest of the network. Right? Okay, we have the second topology, that is ring topology. In a ring topology, each device is connected to exactly two other devices, forming a closed loop. Data travels in one direction around the ring, passing through each device until it reaches its destination. I believe you can see it. Can you see it?
Yes, it's physical.
Okay. The third physical topology is the bus topology. In a bus topology, all devices are connected to a single communication line called a bus. Data is transmitted along the bus and each device receives the data, but only processes the data intended for it. Okay, so now we have the computer components. We have the local area network, that's LAN. A LAN is a network that spans a relatively small area, such as a single building, office, or campus. Devices within a LAN are typically connected using Ethernet cables or wireless connections, and they can share resources such as files, printers, and internet access. We have the other computer component is the wide area network, that's WAN. A WAN is a network that covers a larger geographical area, such as a city, country, or even multiple countries. WANs are typically used to connect LANs and enable communication between devices across long distances. Examples of WAN technologies include leased lines, MPLS, and the Internet. We have the third computer component being Metropolitan Area Network, that's MAN. A MAN is a network that covers a larger geographical area than a LAN, but smaller than WAN, typically spanning a city or metropolitan area. MANs are often used by organizations or service providers to connect multiple locations within a city. The fourth computer component is the Personal Area Network, PAN. A PAN is a network that connects devices within the immediate vicinity of an individual, such as smartphone, tablet, or wearable device. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi direct are common technologies used for PANs. So that's for our lesson today, unless someone has a question. Yes? Anyone with a question? So, what have we learned today? Can Elvis tell us about network topology? What is network topology?
Okay. Network topology refers to physical or logical layout of devices and connections in a network, defines how devices are interconnected and how data flows between them.
Okay, that is for the topology. That is topology. I believe you've understood. Thank you. That's for our lesson today. Thank you for your coming. I appreciate it. Have a good day.